Hi folks, welcome back to Northern Outlier. Have you ever wanted to change your own tires, save yourself that trip to the mechanic, and also save yourself a bit of money? Today I'm going to show you a product that will allow you to do just that, so stay tuned. So I just recently picked up another vehicle, so now we have 3 vehicles in our household. We change tires twice a year. We run winter tires and summer tires. So with this third vehicle, that would mean 6 trips to the mechanic, costing us a lot of time and a lot of money. So I went out and picked up the Dewalt 12-piece tire change kit, DWMT 45012. So this kit was $170 on Amazon. It comes with a 1/2-inch torque wrench ranging from 50 to 250 foot-per-pounds. Also comes with a breaker bar so you can loosen those lug nuts on your tires as well. And it also comes with 10 different sockets ranging from 3/4 to 1 inch as well as 18 to 24 mils. Let's quit chit-chatting and get this thing open. So this is a really well packaged kit. It's a blow molded case. It's got an insert here, a foam insert just for padding. You've got your breaker bar here. There's your 1/2-inch torque wrench. And your 2 sets of sockets. So 18, 19, 21, 22, and 24. 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, 1 inch. So the other thing I got along with this kit was a 1/2-inch extension. So this is a 6-inch extension, and it is the one thing that doesn't come with this kit, and I would highly recommend picking one up. So now that we've got this thing opened up and we've taken a look at it, let's try it out. So I recently just had the tires taken off my new vehicle, so let's go ahead and tighten those lug nuts. So we're going to need the torque wrench, we're going to need the extension, and we're going to need the 21 mil. So in setting this up, it's rather simple. All I'm going to do is take my extension, it goes onto the 21 mil lug, and then basically the extension just goes into the end of the torque wrench like that. So now that it's all set up, we just have to go ahead and set our torque wrench. So I know I need to tighten my lug nuts at 80 foot-per-pounds. So let's go ahead and do that. So you should be able to see markings on your torque wrench. I don't know if you can see if that's focusing, but there's markings on here. So you want to set the collar at 80. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull down, and then I'm going to turn it until I get to 80. So there you have it. It's all set to 80 foot-per-pounds. So one more important thing, you want to make sure your torque wrench is set to tighten and not loosen. So there's a little switch on the back of the head right here. And what I do is I just grab the socket and I go like this, and I can figure out if I'm going to be tightening or loosening, so lefty loosey, righty tighty, and make sure that's set because I don't want to loosen them, I want to tighten them. So this is why you want to go out and pick up the extension. I wish Dewalt had included it in the kit, but I'll show you right now. If you were just to have the socket, that's what that's going to look like. I can't get that in. Mine are kind of recessed, but even if it wasn't, that's not a lot of room. The torque wrench would end up hitting the vehicle or the tire or something. So go out and get yourself that extension. So now you have the clearance, you can just put it in there and tighten away. So you basically just want to torque it until you hear that clicking sound. So that's all there is to it. You basically just torque it until you hear that clicking sound and then move on to the next lug. One last important thing, when you're done torquing down your tires, back off your torque wrench, set it to the lowest setting possible. I don't know, I've always been told that, so it's just something that I've always done. So there you have it, folks. That's the new toy in the shop. If you want to change your own tires and save yourself a ton of money, go out and pick up the Dewalt tire change kit. You won't regret it. Now you know the secret on how I'm going to save myself a ton of money by changing my own tires. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button down below. Hit subscribe as well if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.